Welcome to PORTABOOM Safe Operating Procedure Training. This video is designed to give you all the information you require to safely assemble, operate and disassemble PORTABOOM, as well as useful troubleshooting and maintenance tips. It takes approximately 2.5 minutes to assemble PORTABOOM. Let's take a look at each step. For your safety and the safety of others, do not use PORTABOOM unless you have reviewed and understood the safe operating procedure. PORTABOOM must not be operated unless it is in a safe, working condition prior to use. PORTABOOM is a patented portable boom gate operated by remote control. It is types certified by the Australian Road Research Board for use on all Australian roads. Prior to setting up PORTABOOM, refer to the traffic control plan if using PORTABOOM for traffic control, or the operation plan if using PORTABOOM for other uses. It is also essential that an assessment of overhead hazards be conducted, checking for trees, road signs, streetlights, low clearance levels in car parks, overhead power lines, or any other potential obstructions. If hazards are identified, PORTABOOM may be repositioned to avoid the hazard. It is important to assess the weather conditions. Although PORTABOOM is rated to withstand winds of 82 km per hour, if the current or forecasted weather advises strong winds exceeding 50 km per hour, then sandbags need to be added to the stability legs. It is mandatory to remain diligent and check for environmental changes throughout the time that PORTABOOM is in use. To unload PORTABOOM from the transport vehicle, park the vehicle at the setup location as close to level ground as possible. Unload the PORTABOOM tower using safe manual handling techniques. For traffic control, position the PORTABOOM tower in the shoulder or roadside curb for setup. Ensure the shaft is facing the footpath. Once it's in position, apply the brake pedals. To attach the arm, remove boom arm from the carry bag. Position boom arm at a 45-degree angle to the tower. Align the boom arm billet tabs with the channels on the shaft. Position the boom arm square to the shaft and align the billet tab with the channels on the shaft. Once aligned, connect the boom arm to the tower by pushing firmly until the billet meets the tower. Then, reposition the boom arm to a vertical position. Then hold firmly and pull the arm towards you. A loud click will confirm that it is in position. Lock the boom arm into place using the locking mechanism on the tower. Using the key provided, align the cutout on the key with the red dot on the lock to open up the small compartment panel. Turn the power on. The green LED will illuminate. Press the red push button to move the boom arm into the horizontal position. When the boom arm is horizontal, loosen the two boom arm tightening screws. Extend the boom arm to the span required. Once the correct span is established, hand tighten the two boom arm tightening screws. Attach the stop sign using the buckle straps to secure the sign. Ensure that one buckle is on the fixed boom arm and the other buckle is on the extension. Check the manual operation of the unit to test the up, down and stop functions by pressing the red push button in the small compartment panel. Check the operation of the remote control, again testing the up, down and stop functions using the remote control. When using multiple PORTABOOM devices, ensure all remote controls are labelled with a unit number to match the corresponding PORTABOOM tower unit. It is important to check that the boom arm's bounce-back function works by holding your hand underneath the boom arm as it is lowered. The boom arm should bounce off your hand and return to the vertical position. Disable brakes with your foot. Ensure the boom arm is positioned vertically. Reposition PORTABOOM into the live operational position. Enable the brakes. Now that PORTABOOM is in its live position, the stability legs need securing by first unwinding the wing nut to its maximum. Placing one hand on the wing nut bolt and the other hand at the base of the leg, pull up slightly and then slide the leg into the fixing position, ensuring the rubber stopper is firmly on the ground. Once it's in position, tighten the wing nut to secure the leg into position. Repeat this process for all 4 stability legs. If applying sandbags to PORTABOOM, take the hooks out of the side pocket of the boom arm carry bag. Fix a sandbag hook to all 4 of the stability legs by placing the hook first through the hole at the back of the stability leg and then let the hook hang down. Add a maximum of 2 sandbags to each stability leg. Once setup is completed, leave PORTABOOM arm in the vertical position until you are ready to commence operation.